A girl from Indore has been booked for dancing at a zebra crossing. And this after a video of the girl went viral. While she has issued a clarification saying that she danced to spread awareness about traffic rules and COVID protocol, she, however, has been booked. Now, the state home minister has ordered action against her and saying her act was wrong, whatever the intention may be. He's also said he will bring an appropriate order under the Motor Vehicles Act.
Guys, so I'm here to talk about this viral video of this girl who has been dancing on Rasoma Indore traffic signal. So I am that girl and I wanted to talk about my motive through this video. My main motive to create this video was that a red signal means that you have to stop. और पेडेस्ट्रियन क्रॉसिंग साइन जो दिया है वो इसलिए होता है कि आप स्लो करो अपनी स्पीड सो पीपल कैन वॉक थ्रू दैट. ओके, सो माई मोटिव वाज दैट कि जब ट्रैफिक सिग्नल बंद है, why are you breaking the rules? I know maybe I've been receiving a lot of positive responses because of the video, and I've been receiving a lot of negative responses as well. My only motive was to make people aware about the rules and the COVID protocols that people are breaking, like they're not wearing a mask and they're not waiting for people to cross the road. It is dangerous. What I did maybe have been portrayed in the wrong way. I don't want to influence anybody else to do the same thing, but I think I started this as a good initiative to make people aware about the rules and things that you should not do when you're driving and stuff. This video has been taken in the wrong way. I just want to let people know that I didn't break any rules. I was wearing a mask and I did that when the signal was red.
मेरे ध्यान में ये विषय आया है और ये जो उन्होंने किया है, भाव उनका जो भी हो, पर तरीका गलत था और मैं निर्देशित करूंगा कि इन पर मोटर न्याय अधिनियम के तहत कार्रवाई की जाना चाहिए, जिससे ये परंपरा आगे न बढ़े और ज्यादा विकसित न हो.
Yeah, absolutely. Since this video of Shreya Kalra dancing on zebra crossing day before yesterday, after a game she was playing with her colleagues Truth and Dare, and she was playing the part of being Dare dancing on the zebra crossing. And when this video went viral so frequently on the various platforms of social media, then it came in the cognizance of Home Minister also. Initially, there was not the any matter of registering any case, but when Home Minister he instructed the traffic police that the case must be registered under Motor Vehicle Act. Then the case has been registered under Section 290, in which she has to give fine if she proved guilty in violating of the Motor Vehicle Act norms. She has to submit 200 rupees as fine under this section of Motor Vehicle Act. So this is what she is claiming, that she has not violated any traffic rule, because when it was a red light she started dancing. It was 30 seconds video around, and she is saying that she has not committed any crime and she has not violated any rule, and she is claiming she is having her own justification. But it's so that in Vijayanagar police station the case has been registered against Shreya Kalra under section 290, and if she is found guilty she has to pay 200 rupees fine. So this is what we can understand, that this video was quite viral on the social media. Now new controversy starts when she is claiming she has not violated any rule, and the case has been registered against her in Vijayanagar police station of Indore.
Okay, so was the action against her completely unnecessary? To discuss that, joining us this evening is senior Supreme Court lawyer Geeta Luthra and also spokesperson of the BJP, Deepak Vijayvargiya. Geeta Luthra, good evening to you. If I can just start off with you. The girl says that the signal was red, she was on the zebra crossing, and there was a message that she was trying to give was to follow traffic rules. Now, given all these facts, like I said, red signal, zebra crossing, is this a case of an overzealous government, an overzealous state that is interfering in something which is absolutely minor?
So it is only 200 rupees fine. I mean, I think what the girl did was something not that I wouldn't commend it. However, seems to have been liked on various viral media and social media. But the fact is, yes, a zebra crossing is for crossing. And if you're trying to say that the red means red, I mean, surely there must be some more ways of doing that than to come in the glare of the public by dancing on a zebra crossing or whatever. Her intentions were well intentioned. The offense is not motor vehicles. What they've tried to make out is a public nuisance. I don't know how much it will come in the definition of public nuisance. I think it's unwarranted what she probably did. But I think also the government has, I would have said a traffic policeman should have just maybe told her that, madam, let's maintain decorum and be done with it instead of making a case of public nuisance. So either way, I feel both didn't warrant the extremity which they've done, whether it's the girl or the government. But it should have been left off at that look, we understand you're trying to send a good message, but this is a bad way of sending a good message.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Well, Geeta,
And should have been closed at that.
Okay, let's take that to the BJP spokesperson of the BJP from Madhya Pradesh, Deepak Vijayvargiya. Mr. Vijayvargiya, हमने सुना जो गीता लुथरा ने कहा, सीनियर एससी एडवोकेट है, कि एक तो ये मोटर व्हीकल्स एक्ट के दौरान आता ही नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट एन ऑफेंस अंडर द मोटर व्हीकल्स एक्ट. और अगर ये गलत था तो एक ट्रैफिक पुलिसमैन को आके बस बताना था, मैडम आप आगे बढ़िए. ये नीडलेसली एक कंट्रोवर्सी बनाया गया है. ये नीडलेसली होम मिनिस्टर भी घुस गए इस बात में.
का सवाल नहीं है. जैसा गीता जी ने भी कहा, जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग किस लिए है? आप भी जानते हैं जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग किस लिए है. क्रॉस करने की, डांस करने की जगह नहीं है. और जो भी इस गलत इंटेंशन के साथ, इसके अलावा किसी और मोटिव के साथ वहाँ कोई एक्टिविटी कर रहा है, जाहिर तौर पर पब्लिक न्यूसेंस है ये. और पब्लिक न्यूसेंस के लिए जो भी प्रावधान है पुलिस उसके अंतर्गत कार्रवाई करेगी. ये तो कोई भी जो इस तरह की गतिविधि करता है उसको पहले सोचना चाहिए.
Okay, let me also take that to KK Mishra, Madhya Pradesh Congress General Secretary. Mr. Mishra, how do you view this development? Is it an unnecessary reaction by the state government?
देखिएगा, मैं खुद इंदौर को बिलोंग करता हूं और जिस रोड पर इस तरह का डांस किया गया है किसी भी मॉडल द्वारा, वो बहुत हैवी ट्रैफिक वाला एरिया है. तो वो उचित तो नहीं कहा जा सकता है, क्योंकि उनकी इस डांस वाली सनक के कारण पूरा ट्रैफिक जाम हुआ, कुछ भी दुर्घटना हो सकती थी और दुर्घटना के साथ किसी की जान भी जा सकती थी. तो ऐसी गतिविधियों पर एक्शन तो होना चाहिए, उन्हें बेलगाम छोड़ देना उचित नहीं होगा.
Well, okay, Mr. Mishra, thank you so much for speaking to Mirror Now. Also, Deepak Vijayvargiya and Geeta Luthra, perhaps a good message, perhaps the wrong way, but nevertheless, something that the state should not have reacted in such a manner. But the Home Minister saying that her act was improper.